Hi, and welcome to this series of videos. We wanted to highlight the different meanings behind the term design automation, the different problems that can arise and how these relate to you and your business, along with some potential solutions and benefits. This video explores design automation for file production. So we are all generally used to the idea of creating 3D CAD data, which has helped extensively within engineering, design, and product development for many years now. But increasingly, companies want to maximize the use of this data downstream, assisting with production, manufacturing, and wider documentation, helping to develop smoother digital workflows throughout the business. So what does this look like in daily business operations? Here are some common problem statements we receive, where companies could benefit from automatic and consistent file production. Some of these may be questions you have asked or heard in your own business, and all areas that design automation could help address, from the requirement of PDF documents for everyday drawing production, to producing 2D flat pattern DXF files for manufacture, to automatic update and population of file metadata. So how can we help address these problems and help you maximize the potential in the data you have? With a number of potential solutions, from simple adoptions of export formats within our Excitech Inventor toolkit, automatically upon saving a file, to configuration of standard Vault workgroup or professional publishing tasks on lifecycle change, through to creating a custom Vault job processor task whereby additional file formats are produced with a specified naming convention and filed in a particular folder structure within your Vault. There is a right solution to suit the size and complexity of your problem. And introducing design automation with a focus on file production within your business can equal improved compliance, increased productivity, and decreased duplication. So here we have a real-world example from a long-term customer of Excitech, Wynyard Engineering Limited, where Matt Wynyard asked us to create and implement a custom Vault professional job, which would produce a linked sheet metal flat pattern DXF file whenever a component is released to manufacture within Vault. This brought with it a number of advantages, but Matt highlighted these three key points. A typical Wynyard Engineering Limited product can comprise of 200 to 300 sheet metal components, with each component having the potential to take 5 minutes to not only release the component, generate a DXF, and then save and locate this appropriately for others to pick up in the business, meaning the potential of 25 hours per product being spent on this administration task. Or put another way, 3 days of productivity they could use elsewhere. Implementing this custom task also reduced human error, and its simplicity has made a huge contribution to the overall design process. With a maintained link from the DXF file to the original inventor data, capturing any subsequent changes and updates within a closed-loop system. Matt signed off with a statement that this was one of the best things they had ever invested in, certainly from a software perspective, and we're extremely grateful for Excitech's contribution in making this process and them more efficient. So get in touch today and see how we can help you achieve more.